Workplace harassment and sexual harassment are the topics very often dealt with in HR and labor relations. At our law firm Intellects, we frequently handle internal investigation into these issues, with many cases currently in progress. A common question that we get is, what's the most important thing when investigating workplace harassment and sexual harassment? Today, I want to focus on a critical factor, which is confidentiality. Confidentiality is more than only a best practice. It's a legal obligation. For example, Article 76-3 of the Labor Standards Act requires that anyone involved in workplace harassment investigation must not disclose confidential information without the victim's consent. Similarly, Article 14-2 of the Equal Employment Opportunity Act mandates strong protections for the victim in sexual harassment case. Why is confidentiality so essential? First, it is a fundamental premise for securing the trust of the parties involved in the findings of internal investigation. Second, it is a measure to prevent secondary victimization of the complainant. Third, it promotes fairness by preventing witness statements from being influenced. And fourth, it shields the organization and the individual from legal liability. A breach of confidentiality can undermine the entire investigation. If sensitive testimony leaks, either party may reject the findings, claiming that the process was biased. Thus, leaking information can harm the complainant, intimidate witnesses, or compromise their objectivity. Legal precedence reinforces this. A high court decision has ruled that even before the confidentiality laws are explicit, investigators were required to avoid disclosing details or harming the reputation of those involved. Such breaches not only cause secondary harm to victims, but discourages others from additional allegations. To avoid this risk, organizations must emphasize confidentiality from the very beginning. All participants in the investigation should sign confidentiality agreements and understand that breaches can result in legal consequences for both individuals and the company. Protecting confidentiality is not just about following the law. It's about ensuring fair, trustworthy investigations and creating a safe workplace for everyone. Thank you for watching today, and I hope it was helpful in remembering the importance of confidentiality. Should you have any question, please do not hesitate to contact Intellects at any time. Thank you and Happy New Year. Bye-bye.